house. Nope. No. I rebuke it in the name of Jesus. No. No.
So why you put up with her?
And I say put up, it's just that she's my daughter mother, so I have to work with her.
But based on how you talk still, she sound like a mad woman.
She have all heap of issues for real, but that can't stop me from make she hear from her baby, no time at all. I still have to make sure she hear from her baby. Regardless, me can't take it personal no time.
You whisper, boy, you're a good father. Why you to boy have pitney?
Some jealous to me. But remember say me come off of the girl in joke long time. So you know take carry on for a girl in joke.
Try not sorry for me. I'm gonna stay upon that for a while. I'm ready for that yet.
So why whisper now on same phone?
I come talk about you're not ready for that. Then the man will need some oil, man. You feel like the man oil mill?
But I still not pitney yet.
Yeah, the man want oil factory.
Hello?
Tonian.
Yes, Bubbles?
Whisper there?
Yeah, I'm there right here, so.
So why I'm not on same phone?
I don't know.
Tell him someone's come pick me up because I need you to try and think them for the little assignment go on.
Alright, he might come.
Okay.
Where your phone there?
My phone like here.
If I be paying you no such a call, go and pick up the
You always just a sell me out. You couldn't just say my phone dead or something. You just ever sell me out.
Out there, so when we put on the clothes?
Oh, yeah, maybe go inside.
Alright, hold on so long. You shop home today, right? Then I saw you dressed to work in a shop.
True, I live here, so.
True, you live here, Tony, and you still run a business. You want your people them cut Brazil strap and all these things. And Tonya. Miss Bro?
So hold on. What do you mean when you say the shop?
Sell.
Me? Me look like a shopkeeper to you?
The price is the right there, sir. And be very polite to the people. So come.
Joke, Mr. Me need to be polite to myself.
Yes, confirm.
Hey, Bubbles.
What's going on?
I need to see you. I have something to talk to you about. It's nothing bad. It's nothing bad.
Oh.
It's nothing bad.
Okay.
It's actually good
Okay.
news. So, are you home?
Alright, no problem. No, I'm not home. I am around by a shop that you're very familiar with.
Shop that Oh.
Cosman.
Yeah, okay. Say less. I'll be there shortly.
Okay, sir.
Alright.
Mm.